Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have got some amazing job opportunity and competition line up for you all from top companies like Cisco, Microsoft, Z1 Tech and HPCL. These are perfect for a student and fresher who want to start their career in software engineer QA and even showcase their innovation idea in national level competition. So make sure you watch till the end because I will also share some important tips and how to apply and stand out. Okay. So the first job is Cisco software engineer, new grade 2026. So Cisco is the one of the biggest networking and IT company in the world. They are hiring for software engineer new grade for 2026 graduate in Bangalore, India. There are three different track you can apply for. Networking protocol involve routing, switching, firewall and network security. Number 2 is application development. Focus on building app using Python, Ops and cloud. Number 3 is embedded and system development related to operating system, kernel programming and device drives. Okay. So eligibility, we can say this opportunity is exactly for a student graduate in 2026. You need a strong understanding of computer science, fundamental programming, Python, C, C++ preferred, and problem solving skills. If you targeting Cisco, start studying your basic in networking, TCP, IP, OSI model, and DSA data structure and algorithm. Also practice debugging and optimization problem because Cisco really value performance oriented codings. So number 2 is Microsoft software engineer internship. So we have the Microsoft software engineer internship for a student in India. Multiple locations are available and the internship offer you a chance to work on real world project with team across the global. Eligibility, you should be pursuing a bachelor or master degree in CS or related field, must have at least one semester left after internship. You will work on designing, developing and testing next gen software, learning learning from top engineering and applying core data structure and algorithm in real problems. So tips, Microsoft value candidates who are curious and collaborative. During interview, they look for clarity in thought process and your ability to approach problem logically, not just give the correct answer. They try to solve problem on lead code, easy, medium and read about Microsoft core value, respect, integrity and accountability. Okay. So number third is Z1 Tech, BDO.ai, hiring for QA analyst role. So this is based in Gurugram. So they are hiring for QA analyst 01 experience, perfect for fresher or a student who are done an internship in testing or software QA. Job description, role is Q&A analyst, QA analyst. Work type full time on site Gurugram. You will be creating test case, executing manual and automated tests, and working closely with developer to maintain product quality. A skill required, knowledge of testing type like functional regression and integration etc. Familiar with Selenium and or any automation tool. A strong problem solving and communication skill. For QA role, tips for QA role, focus on test case design, debug reporting, bug reporting and learn tools like Postman, Jira and Selenium. Also showcase your attention to detail that we what recruiter value most for testing roles. So number 4 is SPCL Power Lab 2.0 competition. Let's talk uh, let's talk about HPCL Power Lab 2.0 competition. Organized by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited Ltd. This is national level competition open for undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD student from any stream. Reward top prize is 5.7 lakh. Winner get up to 1.5 lakh cash prize. Top 50 participant can get HPCL summer internships plus certificate for all participants. Important date registration closing 27 October 2025. Round 1 all assignment on 28 October. Tips for preparation: prepare for quantitative aptitude, verbal and HPCL related GK from a strong team, 3 to 4 with diverse skills. Someone good at research, someone at design, someone at presentation. Make your video submission creative and solution driven. So friends, these are some fantastic opportunity. Whether you are a developer, tester or innovator, this is something for everyone. So Cisco for a strong programmer and networking enthusiast, Microsoft for global exposure and learning, Z1 for QA or testing career, HPCL Power for creative thinking and innovative. So don't wait. Check the link in the description and apply earlier. And prepare well. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure like, share with your friends and subscribe to stay updated with the latest off-campus drive, internship and competition. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.